Hello everyone, this is Ben. I'm going to be telling you a bit today about list views. So let's get started. We've got here our Salesforce org. I'm going to take us to the leads object, and that's where we'll be today. So list view is basically a customizable table that shows different filtered information for a given object. So like for the leads object right here, you're looking at the recently viewed list view. You can see there's other list views here. We are going to create our own. So let's do that. You come over here to the settings button here. It's the list view controls, and you can click new. Okay, we're going to say contacted leads is the name of our list view. This field auto populates, and I'm going to say only I can see this list view, and I'll save that. Okay, so this shows all of the leads, all of my leads. Right here without any filters. And here's where some of the power comes into the list view. I'm going to add a filter, and let's say I want to see some that are only of the lead status working contacted. Okay, so my contacted leads here. I'm going to click that one, click done. Okay, now I'm going to say save that filter, and I can now see all of my leads that I have contacted. Okay, so it looks good. I can also do lead status not equals those contacted, so I could see the ones that I need to contact. Okay, so that's a useful feature there. Let's take a look at some of the other buttons here. So you've got, of course, the new, clone, rename, sharing settings, add the filter, select fields to display. So if I wanted to change some of the fields here and include, for example, the industry, let's go over here and do that. And then the industry will show up over here. I can also view this list view as a Kanban view. So if I didn't have my filter on here, and let me change that. Let's just take off this filter. Okay, you can see that I have all of my leads that are separated into the different lead status. So open, not contacted, working, contacted, closed, not converted. And then you can pull them in between these sections, and it'll update the lead status automatically. Let's just look at the last one here, split view. So you've got all the leads over here, and then if I clicked on Andy Young, and that's of course a made up contact information here, you can see his information, see the details about this lead here, and everything like that. So let's go back to the table view and just take a look at the other options here. You can see there's check boxes over here that if I needed to check a couple of these leads, I can change their owner, and I can change multiple of these at the same time. So I can go in here and change the owner for that person, or I can send them a notification when I change their owner, or send a notification to the owner, rather. Change the status of these to a different lead status. I can add them to a campaign. And then over here, you can also import new leads into this list view, or simply create a new lead and just create it yourself manually. And let's see, that's just a few of the options to the list view. And the last thing we'll touch on today is this chart here. The chart by lead source, this is customizable. You can have it be a donut chart, horizontal bar chart, different things like that. And these graph options right here will change depending on the object that you're doing the list view for. Just another useful visualization here to help you be more informed about your leads. And that is list views.